Trucks, Whiz, Zoom, Rumble by Patricia Hubble. Trucks, trucks, trucks on the long, long road. Old trucks, new trucks, going to the zoo trucks. Red trucks, blue trucks, bringing toys to you trucks. Trailer trucks with lots of wheels, trucks that carry automobiles, trucks at rest stops getting gas, whose drivers wave each time you pass. Heavy trucks, light trucks, whizzing through the night trucks. Garbage trucks, tow trucks, plowing up the snow trucks. Trucks that rumble, roar, and shriek, trucks that putter, groan, and creak. Ice cream trucks, fire trucks, carpenters for hire trucks. Dump trucks, tank trucks, going to the bank trucks. Trucks with horses, trucks with hens, trucks with big pink pigs in pins. Trucks that rush and whiz and zoom, trucks that bang and honk and boom. Trucks that go by twos, trucks that bring us all the news. Moving vans and concrete mixers, ambulance and flat tire fixers. Daddy's trucks, mommy trucks, Auntie Sue's and Tommy's trucks. Here you go in your truck, zoom, zoom, zoom down the long, long road. Trucks go north, south, east, and west. They do their jobs and then they rest. The end.